Hey Mi fans, I am Mohsin Fulara. Today is a very exciting day for us. Today we are unboxing the Mi 10, the flagship device of Xiaomi. I am pretty excited to unbox the phone. I am sure you guys are going to love the phone. So let's get going. Let's not keep anyone waiting. Here we go. As you can see, the box, the black color box looks pretty premium. You have the 108 megapixel written here. You have a beautiful 10 written here. You have Snapdragon 865 processor. Let's open the box.
Wave beats music.
You have the SIM ejector tool, you have the back case, and here is the phone. You have a 30-watt charger, you have the cable, and you have a Type-C to 3.5mm converter. So let's leave that aside and get to the phone. The beauty here. Let's switch it on. Oh wow. I think this is beautiful. The color looks pretty premium. The finish is amazing. The phone comes with a beautiful 108 megapixel OIS camera setup, 8K video recording, 30 volts wireless fast charging, and you have Snapdragon 865 with dual mode 5G chipset in it. And the best thing about the phone is the display. You have the 6.67-inch 3D curved AMOLED display, and you have a 90Hz screen refresh rate. Here we go, pretty smooth. The display has got 1120 nit peak brightness, and you've got a 4780 mAh battery, which will last you a good 2 days on a heavy usage. In the front, we have a 20 megapixel micro dot camera for your selfies, and you have stereo speakers at the bottom. This is the coral green color. You have another color, the twilight gray, and you have two variants, the 8GB 128GB and 8GB 256GB variant. My personal favorite will be the coral green. I personally prefer a little bit of a flash. So what are you waiting for? Rush to your nearest Mi Preferred partner store.